Hello everyone. Today we'll begin with our general knowledge book, that is Knowledge World of Class 3 by Seraphic Era Publications. Let's begin with it. Hello everyone. Let's begin with our new chapter, that is chapter number 2, Incredible Animals. What do you understand by incredible animals? You know, we have various variety of animals on this earth and they all are very different from each other and they have very unique features from each other, and you know, it is so good to know and understand them. So hence we have named certain animals with their unique features as incredible animals. So let's begin with this exercise. It's a very interesting chapter. I know that you will like it. Now the first question is the fastest land animal. Which is the fastest land animal which runs on land? So what is the name of that animal is? That is cheetah. C-H-E-E-T-A-H. That is cheetah. Now let's do the second one. The tallest animal in the world. Which is the tallest animal? सबसे लंबा जानवर कौन सा है हमारी दुनिया का? And that is giraffe. G-I-R-A-F-F-E, giraffe. Let's do the third one. The only mammal that can fly. एकलौता ऐसा mammal कौन सा है जो उड़ सकता है? And that is a bat, जिसको हम हिंदी में चमगादड़ भी कहते हैं. Fourth question is the largest animal in the ocean. Which is the largest animal found in the ocean? And that is the blue whale. Then next we have the fifth question. The national aquatic animal of India. Which is the national aquatic animal found in water? That means of India, and that is dolphin. D-O-L-P-H-I-N, dolphin. Let's move to the sixth question. The bird that cannot fly but runs very fast. आपने कभी ऐसी bird imagine करी है जो कि चलती तो बहुत तेज है लेकिन उड़ नहीं सकती? And yes, there is a bird of such kind and its name is actually, let me write it again. So what was the spelling? O-S-T-R-I-C-H, ostrich. The seventh question is the animal that never drinks water in its lifetime. ऐसा कौन सा जानवर है जो अपनी लाइफ टाइम में कभी भी किसी भी तरह का पानी नहीं पीता है? And you know what is that animal? It's actually a kangaroo. And what is the special name of this kangaroo? The speciality of this kangaroo is that it is small in size than the regular kangaroo which you see in Australia. Let's now begin with the eighth question. The insect that makes honey. Now this is a question which everybody knows कि ऐसा कौन सा insect है जो कि honey बनाता है? And that is our honey bee. This is a bee which is helpful for making a sweet thing that is known as honey. Next is the ninth question, that is the largest reptile in the world. Which is the largest reptile? And that is the salt water crocodile. You know, this is a specific type of crocodile जिसको हम salt water crocodile कहते हैं. ये बहुत ही बड़ा, it is a very huge and large animal. They are specifically telling also it is the largest reptile. Then the last question of this chapter is the animal known as the ship of the desert. So which animal is known as the ship of the desert? Of course, I think many of you must be knowing this answer. The answer is camel. I hope you have understood this chapter about the incredible animals. You must have liked it. Thank you for watching the video. Keep studying till the next video. Till then, take care and goodbye.